But as Michael was mentioning, lots of folks keeping an eye on how all of that's happening there in the Hill Country could impact our watershed.
Yeah, we already have some flood warnings that are in place on the Frio and the Nueces. Now, this is well upstream from both of our lakes, where the Nueces River, once the water reaches Cotulla, it still takes 6.5 days to make it to Lake Corpus Christi. And that flood warning is well north of Cotulla. Cotulla is not in a flood warning, not yet at least. So this area is starting to get a little bit of a break in the rain. There is still some light rain. You can see the mesoscale convective system, that low, still circling in this area. What happens overnight is the low-level jet picks up, which transports moisture from the Gulf into that area. And so we do expect another round of heavy rain to form with this feature, which means more rain over the same areas that have already seen that 10 to 12 inches of rainfall. Some isolated areas possibly picking up even more than that. So we still have a flood warning in place across the region, but we also are watching these flood warnings. These are flash flood warnings in the maroonish red color, but these are our flood warnings along our rivers. And so this is going to be for the Nueces River until Thursday at 12:30 p.m. And then this one is for the Frio River, which flows into Choke Canyon. That's going to be through 4 a.m. Both of these warnings are south of that Edwards Aquifer recharge zone, which means we are expecting water to flow down these rivers into our lakes. Here's the latest river forecast with the Frio there near Derby, picking up to in between 6 to 7 feet. 7 feet would be moderate flood stage. It takes a lot of water to get to that major flood stage. So it does look like the forecast keeps it below major, at least at this point in time. We'll see how much more rain falls overnight. The NOAA River forecast for the Nueces River keeps it below flood stage for now, but this is only going out through Sunday, and this is for Cotulla, by the way. So this definitely can change between now and then as we continue to see how much more additional rainfall falls in that area. But so far, the forecast, this is the forecast on top of what has already fallen, has Wednesday morning when the rain really starts to pick up again. Also, I want to point out Beeville to Refugio. We do have a chance to see some spotty, heavy thunderstorms that pop up in our area Wednesday morning. But again, that's mostly our northern counties. The majority of the rain staying to our north, where through Wednesday, so heading into Thursday even, we're